Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we're going to do a follow-up review on a watch I received a while ago on my WatchGang Black membership. The WatchGang Black membership is the $99 tier level. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing my Laco JU52. This was actually a watch I received from WatchGang off their Platinum tier level. That's the $299 tier level. This is probably my favorite watch I've received on that level, but I have a hard time spending $299 for a watch that you don't know what you're going to get. I have a little bit more fun with the $99 tier level. So today we're going to take a look at the Aquinus Hydrautica. Now, to be honest, guys, I did the box opening on this watch and it's sat here ever since. I did not wear this watch. I did not size this watch. I did not pull the plastics off of this watch. I don't know why. I can't really explain it other than, you know, I have a watch with a very similar wavy dial, very similar indices, very similar bezels. You know, everything about it just made me put the watch aside and not actually size it, wear it. So my review might be a little bit different just because I don't have any wrist time with it. You know, I will say the presentation is pretty nice. It comes with a dry bag, which is cool. You know, it's in a smaller box. In the dry bag, in the big box, there's the warranty card. You know, overall, like I said, the presentation's nice. I do like the hands that were used on this one. It has a 42.5 millimeter case size. The case thickness on this one is 12 millimeters. It's stainless steel, it's polished, and you know, it's got a 20 millimeter lug to lug width. Let's go ahead. You can see Aquinus on the buckle with their logo. Looks like a little diver. Like I said, I didn't even pull the plastics on this one, and I'll tell you why. I actually, at this point, have already put this up for sale on my eBay store. You can see their logo and diver on the back, Swiss movement, and here is the SKU number and their MSRP, which is $295. You know, what else on this one? So it has a flat mineral crystal with sapphire coating. I actually didn't even pull the plastic off the crystal yet. I don't know. I would love to get your guys' thoughts and opinions on this one as well. For me, it's just kind of that standard diver look. Aside from the presentation kind of getting me a little excited about what was in the box, you know, for me, it's not a bad looking watch. It's not my go-to style by any means. And maybe I need to do a video of my top 3 just so you guys can see, you know, generally I like a little bit weirder stuff sometimes. Sometimes I like classy. Sometimes I like off the wall. It just depends. But when it comes to being straight down the line, it doesn't do that much for me. This does have a unidirectional bezel. It is 200 meter water resistant. Let's go ahead and we'll go dark really quick just to take a look at the lume so we can see how good it is. Here we are in the dark, and you can see I already charged the lume up a little bit with my black light. I do like that all hands have lume. Even the second hand has that little blip right there. And I like that the bezel itself has the lume blip as well. Not all the time, not all the watches do that, which I think they miss out by not having the actual second hand, which I lost it, and having the blip on the bezel itself. And here we are back in the light, and there's a final look at that Aquinus Hydrautica. I will say I wish the bracelet wasn't just a stamped steel clasp. It does have some micro adjustments. Let me just sort of throw it on wrist so you can get an idea on what this one would look like on my roughly 7-inch wrist. You know, this one is a weird one for me because I didn't wear it, because it just sat. So it looks like I'd probably have to remove 3 links and maybe use the micro adjustments, maybe 4 links. Like I said, it's not a bad looking watch. It's just kind of a standard straight down the line watch. And I am selling off some of my watches at this point. This one is already up for sale on my eBay store, which there's a link below in case this one floats your boat and you want to bid on it. But I figured because I hadn't worn it, I hadn't sized it, I was going to leave it as new and let the next person enjoy it. It's not a bad looking watch. It's just not necessarily for me. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. Hopefully I'm not overloading you with videos. I'm going to be trying to do, 2 or 3 videos a week, and I am posting stuff up for sale. So if you want to follow along on my eBay store, have at it, because you might get a deal. I think this one is at $45 currently. So we'll see where it finishes out. Let me know what you think of this one in the comments below. I know I already said that, but as always, guys, thanks for watching.